and welcome back to my channel. I am Letitia and this is That's So Letitia. And for those of you who I just saw in volume 1 of my mask off, hey, welcome back guys. If you are new to this and you're wondering why does she have a full face of dramatic makeup on in the beginning of her video, glad you asked. I will put a link in the description box below to volume 1 so you can kind of get updated with what is happening now. Nevertheless, guys, in volume 1 of this two-part series of Mask Off, we discussed a few things. We got into a bit of beauty tea, and we pretty much did a dramatic look so that we could deconstruct this look and make it face mask appropriate, because right now, given everything that's going on in today's society in regards to the pandemic, unfortunately guys, we're still in it. However, majority of our states at some point very soon, if not already, are going to begin their reopening phases. That means that we are going to be getting back to work. We're going to be able to go back out and socialize. We're going to be able to go and do our shopping and basically all the things that we were doing, with some modifications. That biggest modification is the presence of wearing a face mask to just kind of protect yourself and others from contracting the virus. But for now, I will stay in my lane, and my lane is creating a bold eyeshadow look, because the eyes are the windows to the soul, and even if they can't see your mouth and see your jawline and that highlight and the blush, they will still be able to see your eyes. They will still be able to see your eye looks that you put together. In this way, your makeup will not be in vain. So a while back, it was extremely difficult, if not at altogether impossible, to find face masks to wear. All of the stores were sold out. Online, you had to deal with a lot of scammers. So a lot of us just pretty much stayed quarantined in our home, or we went outside without a mask. Well, since we've been in this now for 2 months, there are a lot more accessible ways to get face masks. And some of those masks have even become a little bit more fashionable to make it more tolerable for those of us who did not want to walk around with just like a surgical mask on. What do I mean fashionable? Glad you asked. So the mask that I am going to showcase for you guys today, I actually picked these up by Joanne Fabric. This is one of the masks, and these are not medical grade masks, but they are what the CDC is recommending that we wear upon re-entering out into society. So this is the first one. It's like a candy stripe mask, and this guy is fabric. It's washable, and they even took the liberty of putting a filter hole in. So if you want that added layer of security, you can always add whatever filter it is that you deem appropriate for you into that pocket there, okay? This is this one. And then there is this guy here. I have not yet taken it out of the wrapper. Also by Joanne's Fabric. This one costed $3.99. Again, it's washable, it's reusable, it is breathable, and this one as well has the filter insert area so that you can add a filter, into it. And then there's this one. This is by Joann's as well. This one costed $5.99. It is a 100% cotton denim face mask with filter pocket. This one as well has the filter pocket to it so that you can add your respective filter into it. For me, myself, these are great additions, but what I do is I layer them. And I know for some people it's not comfortable, definitely when you're wearing makeup, which is why we're gonna deconstruct this look, so it'll be a little bit more comfortable for you when you have to wear the mask. But for myself, I tend to wear a white surgical face mask under it, like the ones you would get if you go and visit someone who isn't feeling well in the hospital. But I just use like the standard surgical mask. I place that on, and then I pop one of these on top of that, okay? So, and I'll put a link in the description box below regarding the Joanne fabric mask and how you can get them. I know majority of the states now have some sort of reopening in place for at least some retail places or locations. Joanne fabric, I could have gone either inside and picked up my mask or curbside contactless delivery. I decided to do curbside contactless delivery. Okay, so enough of that. We are going to now deconstruct this look. I'm just grabbing a makeup remover towelette. These are just like by Target. To me, they tend to work better than, say, some of the bigger brands out there. So I have my makeup remover towelette. I have my mirror. And the standard mask, it comes, I want to say, maybe midway nose, like right at the tip of the bridge. So that is pretty much where I'm going to make my mark. Now, normally when I do my makeup and I wear a mask, I don't have all of this going on at the bottom, but this is from the previous video from volume 1 of this volume 2, or from this series of videos. So yeah, typically when I do my makeup for having to go outside and wear a mask, you won't get the bottom effect going on. But for those of us who it's just instinct that when we do our face, we tend to do the entire face, but yet you're like, damn, I messed up. I don't want to get makeup on my mask. This portion is for you. So I'm gonna take my mirror and I'm going to start midway the bridge of the nose, and I'm just going to remove my makeup. Go down, not up. We definitely do not want to remove the eye makeup. Okay guys, so now since we have removed all of the makeup from the lower half of our face, we are now left with, and you can even like tell there, that's where the makeup pretty much stops. We are now going to fit one of the masks on. This is the Candy Stripe mask by, reusable mask by Joann's. There you go. And see, you still get to see my makeup, right? So my look is not in vain. However, I have now taken a more health conscious approach to it. These masks are made with love by some generous people at Joanne Fabrics. I heard, if I'm not mistaken, that they tend to use some of the scraps that are left in the store to create the mask. And see, there's absolutely no makeup on the inside of the mask, which is the goal. So that is that one. And then this one here, this is the denim one. Same thing, right? So that is it. I will place links below to where you can obtain these items. But that is all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share. leave me comments. I love to read comments from you guys. I do respond typically pretty quick and answer any questions that I definitely can answer. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. It is Sunday, actually it is. I'm off to wash my makeup brushes. Have you washed your makeup brushes? If not, you definitely ought to. It's Sunday. Speaking of Sunday, every Sunday I will have a upload for you guys. So definitely when you hit subscribe, hit that notification button. It will not go off often, but when it does, it will be well worth your time. Guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, bye.